Hey gorgeous, let's get glammed up and ready for Halloween with Brow Bar by Reema. We're going to break down this crystal skull makeup together, starting with the BH Nude Hollywood Icon Face Kit to set your foundation and concealer. We're going to give gorgeous brows with the Bombshell Brow Kit, using the pencil to outline the brows and start giving the shape that you want for some fierce brows. Begin adding powder and creating feathered-like strokes so that they can look natural and bold. I like to use the spoolie to brush through those brow hairs, and then we will clean up underneath the brow with the brow lift that's included in the kit. I blend that into my skin, and then we're going to use the Bombshell Brow Gel to lock those brows in place. It's time for a stunning smoky eye using the black shade in the BH Nude palette, beginning to create the shape that you want and then blending it out. I like to use the translucent powder to blend everything in seamlessly. Then we're taking the Kajal pencil to make an even smokier effect. I like doing a small wing and then applying it in the waterline. We are going to add the face makeup starting with contour, then blush, then highlight. Now for the fun part, we're going to take a small detailed brush and the black eyeshadow to begin mapping out your skull. It's really nice to look at a reference photo to decide where to place your lines, and remember, it does not need to be perfect because skulls aren't perfect. You can make it as simple or as detailed as you want and get creative by using different shapes, teardrops, leaves, circles, squiggles, whatever you want. After you're happy with your design, you can go in with a black eyeliner pen and really solidify that design, making everything pop out even more. Then you can begin to add in different shapes, smaller details if you would like to. I'm ready to apply my mascara and then the stunning True Shine Chrome Lipstick in the shade Golden Kiss. Then I'm going back in with an eyeshadow brush and beginning to shade a little bit of the skull. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but it adds a little extra dimension. Cannot forget our favorite lashes from Brow Bar by Reema and a bunch of rhinestones, and you are ready to go this Halloween.